Hey there. Furnace Repair Edmonton dedicates their business to educating the public. You'll find many informative articles and videos on this site concerning heating, indoor air quality, air conditioning, and plumbing. We're convinced that the only way that you can make intelligent choices concerning your home comfort is to have all the facts beforehand. If you're thinking about having your heating and cooling system serviced or replaced, I offer these 4 recommendations. Number 1, make a commitment to yourself to get your equipment serviced. Regular servicing saves you money by extending the life of your equipment and lowering your energy bills. Number 2, do something about indoor air pollution. All homes and businesses, including yours, have indoor air quality problems, and it can be making your family sick. Clean air begins by changing your filter on a regular basis. Next, consider an electronic air cleaner, having your ducts cleaned and sanitized, and installing a heat recovery ventilator. The latter will allow you to bring fresh air into your house without wasting the energy you use to heat and cool your home. Recommendation number 3, ask questions. The way you learn about a company is to ask specific questions and listen carefully to their answers. Now, here are the questions that I would suggest that you ask. Are you licensed? Can you give me 5 references of recent customers? Do you offer financing or take credit cards? What training have you had in the last year? Are you a member of any trade associations, and if so, which ones? Can you be reached in an emergency? And finally, do you guarantee your work? Number 4, once you're satisfied that you're working with an honest, competent professional, invite them into your home or business and ask for a free equipment assessment. By following these recommendations, you'll gain all the information you need to make an informed, intelligent decision. If you're in the Edmonton area, we'd be happy to answer any questions or come by your home or business and give you a free equipment assessment and quotation without obligation of any kind. And call us today for a free consultation.